Bravat Gold, Infrared Automatic Electronic, Commercial Faucet Product Code, BST-D627G. This sensor faucet, from Bravat, brings a new element of design and cost-effectiveness into every bathroom it is installed. The cylindrical base, the infrared sensor, the elegant curve and the gold finish exudes a stylish and contemporary appeal that is perfect for the modern bathroom. Bravat Gold, Infrared Automatic Electronic, Commercial Faucet features model number BST-D627G sensor faucet complete, motion detection operation. Sensitive sensor with infrared IE smart chip factory set to 30-second, auto shut off, can be adjusted. Water pressure, 0.5, 7.0 kgs centimeters, 10,125 psi solid brass construction, gold finish, easy to install, instructions included.